Let's talk about a tool that I think is extremely important for trading. Let's talk about a trading log, a trading journal. Let's talk about what this is and why you need to have it. See, I believe a trading log is the most important tool besides having a charting software and having a broker platform, because you do need a charting software to know what you want to buy or sell, what stocks to buy, when to enter and when to exit. Now, as you know, my favorite tool is the PowerX Analyzer. If you're interested in learning on how I trade, go to mytradingroutine.com. And this is where I have a quick video for you that shows you exactly the indicators that I like to use. I shows you exactly when I enter, when I exit, how I limit my risk. The trading log, let me show you what you need to do, because the trading log is the tool that has turned my trading around. And these days, I do not use it only to improve my trading, but I also use it to improve the trading of other traders in a matter of minutes. So let me show you what it is. I'm going to switch to my screen right now and show you a simple Excel spreadsheet, because that's a beautiful thing. You can go as fancy as you want, but you can keep it simple. Here are the important things that you need to write down every single day when you did a trade. First of all, the entry date, then the symbol, what did you trade? Did you go long or short? Long means that you're betting on a rising market. Short means that you're betting on a falling market. How many shares or contracts did you trade? What was your entry price? What was your exit date and the exit price? What was the gross profit and loss? What were the commissions? And therefore, what was the net profit and loss? And then there are comments. And you see in the comments, you should write anything that comes to mind. For example, you say, wasn't quite sure before I entered the trade, but once I did, I was glad because it turned out to be a winning trade. Or you might say, I was in this trade for 3 days, felt compelled to take profits, and I'm glad that I didn't because it turned out to be a good trade. This is so important because let me show you why. When you don't know what is working for you, it is very difficult to improve it. Let me give you a personal example, and then I'll show you an example of one of my students. So for me personally, when I kept a trading log, I started realizing that I made money in the morning and I gave it back in the afternoon. So what's the easiest way for me to improve my trading? This is when I was still heavily day trading. If I make money in the morning and I give it back in the afternoon, what's the easiest way to improve my trading? Stop trading in the afternoon, right? That's what I do. When I day trade, I only trade for an hour and a half, sometimes only an hour in the mornings. I also realized that I made money on Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday, and I gave back money on Fridays. What's the easiest way to improve my trading? Exactly. Stop trading on Fridays. Then I analyzed the markets and I wanted to see this again from a time when I was very, very heavily day trading. These days, I swing trade stocks and options more. It fits my lifestyle better because I enjoy just not sitting in front of the computer. So therefore, I personally prefer swing trading stocks and options. Anyhow, when I was heavily day trading, I realized I made money trading the Dow. I made money trading the S&P. I made money trading crude oil. I made money trading gold. And I lost money trading the euro currency. Now, in school, how we train in school? In school, if you're not good at something, what do you need to do? Get a mentor, get a teacher, right? If you're not good at math, you need to focus on math. So same here. Having this crappy mindset, instead of focusing on the markets that worked, I focused on the euro currency. And what happened? I still lost money in the euro currency. And since I was focused on it so much, I also lost money in the other markets. Now, if you see that you're making money in 4 markets and there's one market where you lose money, what's the easiest way to turn your trading around? Stop trading that market that you're not good at, right? When you fill out this trading log, you will be able to objectively see what's happening. Surprisingly, sometimes we get caught in our mind And we think that we are really good trading one market when we are not. I want to switch back to the charts here, because what I did for my students, I took this to the next level. So you've seen the trading log here. This is a standard trading log that you can do. I took it to the next level. I asked my programming team to actually program all this into a database. Now, here you see the trades of Tom. And Tom and I started working together, that's been a while, in 2017. Tom is a day trader and he's trading stocks and options. And so for the first 2 months, I want to zoom in here a little bit so that you see it. He started trading, working with me, and he did pretty well. He started with a $10,000 account, and if we scroll all the way to the bottom, you see he was very diligent about putting the trades in. And here you see, after 2 months, he was up $3,492, almost $3,500. Not bad at all, right? On a $10,000 account, if you can achieve this within a couple of months, I mean, would you like that? Obviously. And then I got on the phone with Tom and I said, hey, Tom, I looked at all your trades and I wanted to see what's going on. So out of curiosity, what is your favorite market to trade? And Tom said, as far as I remember, he said, oh, hands down, the bonds. So he was trading several markets and one of them being the bonds. I said, hey, this is so odd. Because when I look at your trading log, this is when I see that, look at this. Tom made money trading crude oil. He made money trading the S&P. He made money trading options. And he lost money trading bonds. So if you see this, what do you think would be the easiest way for Tom to improve his trading? Stop trading bonds, right? Exactly. If Tom wouldn't trade bonds, instead of making $3,500, he would have made $4,300 in only 2 months. See, this is what a trading log can do for you. Objectively show you of what is working for you. So what else could you look at when you're looking at a trading log? Well, when I work with students, what I like to look at, because based on my experience, I know that there might be certain days when you're better than others. For me personally, it's Fridays. Fridays is not a good day for me. I don't know why, but I have made so many trades and I'm looking at my trading log. And for me, I make money Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Fridays are typically underperforming for me. So let's take a look at Tom's log and see how he is doing. Here are the days. As you can see, Tom is making money over these 2 months that he has been logging the trades. Over these 2 months, he made money on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, and lost money on Monday. What's the easiest way for Tom to improve his trading? Stop trading on Mondays, right? Another thing that I like to look at, especially when you're day trading, and I don't know, for you, you might be swing trading or day trading, I want to take a look at the hours. And I want to see, are there certain hours when you're better in trading than not? And you look at this, for Tom, between 9 and 10, and this is Eastern time, Tom made most of the money. After this, not a whole lot. So what would you recommend to Tom if you were his trading coach? Stop trading after the first hour, right? It's not getting any better. Can you see how powerful a trading log can be? A trading log shows you objectively what's working for you and what is not. Don't trust your mind. Don't trust what you think. I mean, when it comes to trading, I trade what I see, not what I think, and you should do the same with the trading log. It's extremely important for me. I want to see, am I doing better in my long trades where I'm betting on a rising market or my short trades? I want to see, am I doing better in my stock trades than my option trades? And this is what a trading log can do for you. By all means, you gotta keep a trading log. This is like your trading journal. And especially when you have the comment section, in the comment section, you can fill out what's working for you and what's not. And as you can see, when I work with my private students, when looking at the trading log, very easily, I can help them in a matter of minutes to turn their trading around. Are you keeping a trading log? Let me know in the comments if you do keep a trading log. If not, let me just bring up the Excel spreadsheet here very easily. You can just fire up Excel or Google Sheets or whatever you have, or numbers if you have a Mac. Put in these columns and then make sure that you analyze your trades. Trust me, this is the number one thing that has turned my trading around. And therefore, I highly recommend it to everybody. In fact, when we work together, it is mandatory for you. You have to fill out the trading log. Was this helpful? If so, please make sure that you are subscribing to this channel. Hit the little notification bell. This way you see when I'm coming live and whenever I post a new video. I hope that you enjoyed watching this show as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you know anybody who might find this video helpful, please feel free to share it. I mean, spread the love. If you feel that there's somebody who might benefit from this video, please also give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and have a fantastic day. Hope you found this helpful. Take care. Click on like and leave a comment and let me know what you think. And make sure to subscribe to this channel to get new videos automatically.